Hey, today we are going to the market. I want to buy a cat.
That sounds great. Let's go together.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Talk and Learn. Please subscribe. We post videos every day.
Yes, we help you learn English with real-life conversations.
You will Learn English step by step and also enjoy daily life situations.
So don't forget to subscribe and learn with us.
Okay, let's go to the market now. I'm really excited.
Me too. Let's find a nice cat for you.
I want a small cat, something really cute.
Sure. Let's look around.
Oh, wow! Look at this white cat. It's so beautiful.
Yes, it is very cute, and it looks very calm.
I really like this one. It looks so soft.
It's a good choice, but let's check a few more.
Hey, come here. Look at this one. This gray cat looks amazing.
Oh my God! This one is even more beautiful.
Yes, it has long, fluffy hair, and it looks very special.
I love this cat. I want this one.
Great choice. Let's ask the price. Excuse me, how much is this cat?
Good. That's perfect.
It's a bit expensive, but I really like it.
Yes, sometimes it's okay to spend more for something you love.
Okay, let's buy this cat.
All right. This is your first cat.
I'm so happy right now, but I'm also a little worried.
Why? What are you worried about?
My brother has a dog at home. What if they don't get along?
Don't worry. They just need some time. We can help them become friends, slowly and carefully.
I hope so. I want them to be happy together. We need to buy food for the cat and maybe some toys. Yes, and a comfortable place to sleep. I will take good care of this cat, like a family member.
That's perfect. Pets need love and attention.
Next time, we will show you our cat at home.
Yes, and how the cat meets the dog.
That will be interesting. We are home now. Look at our cat. She is so cute.
Yes, she is very cute, but I think the dog will react.
Yes, I am a little worried. My brother's dog is not friendly.
Don't worry, we will handle it slowly.
Oh no, look, the dog is coming. He looks angry.
Stay calm. Don't panic.
The cat is scared. She is hiding.
Yes, that's normal. She's in a new place.
The dog is barking. He is looking at the cat.
Let him relax first. Don't force them.
I will hold the cat. She feels safe with me.
Good idea. Give her comfort.
Don't worry, you are safe. You are a good girl.
Nice. Talk to her gently. She will feel better.
The dog is still angry. What should we do?
We will train him slowly, step by step.
Can they become friends, or will they fight?
They can become friends, but it takes time.
Okay, let's give them food. Maybe they feel calm.
Yes, good idea. Food can help them relax.
I will give food to the cat. She is still scared.
And I will give food to the dog. He needs attention too.
The cat is eating slowly. She is still watching the dog.
Yes, she is careful.
The dog is also eating, but he still looks angry.
It's okay. This is the first day.
I hope they become friends. I want them to play together.
They will. Just give them time.
Look at the cat. She looks so cute.
Yes, she is very beautiful.
I love her already. She is like my baby.
That's nice. Take good care of her.
I will take care of both, the dog and the cat.
That's perfect. They both need love.
Tomorrow, we will try again.
Yes, maybe they will get closer.
I hope they become friends soon. I am excited.
Me too. Let's see what happens next.
I have an idea. Let's try something new. Let's comb their hair. I will comb the dog's hair.
And I will comb the cat's hair. That sounds nice.
Yes, they will sit near each other.
And they will see each other again and again.
Exactly. Slowly they will feel comfortable.
I like this idea. Let's try it now.
Okay. I will start with the dog.
And I will take the cat. She looks calm now.
Good. The dog is also relaxing.
I am combing her hair slowly. She likes it.
The dog also likes this. He is quiet now.
Look, they are looking at each other.
Yes, but they are not angry now.
That is a good sign. I feel happy.
This is how they learn, step by step.
I think they will become friends. One day.
Yes, if we keep doing this.
We should do this every day, so they get used to each other.
That's right. Routine is important.
When they become friends, they can play together.
Yes, they will run and have fun.
We can leave them together in the house.
And they will not fight. They will enjoy.
That will be so cute. I am excited.
Me too. This will be fun to watch.
Oh, wait. We forgot something.
What did we forget?
We need to buy a small house for the cat.
Oh, yes. A cozy little home.
A soft and warm place for her to sleep.
And maybe some toys for both of them.
Yes, they will play together. This is going to be amazing. Our home will feel alive.
Next time, we will show their progress.
Let's go outside today. Let's take them to the park for a walk. I will hold the dog's leash, and you can carry the cat.
That sounds like a great idea. She feels safe in my arms.
I think this will help them. They can get used to each other.
Yes, a new place can make them calm. They will explore together and feel more comfortable.
Look, we are almost there. The park looks so beautiful today.
Yes, and the weather is perfect. People are looking at our cat. I think they like her.
Yes.
She looks very cute. Everyone is smiling. Our cat is getting attention.
She really is special. I'm so happy we chose her. Look at the dog. He's watching the cat again.
Yes. But he is not angry now.
He's just looking carefully. Maybe he's trying to understand her.
I think so. He looks calmer than before.
Wait, the dog is barking a little. He's reacting again.
Yes. But this time it feels different.
He's not aggressive. He's just being protective. Maybe he thinks this is our cat.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. He's starting to accept her.
Yes. That's a very good sign.
Look, the cat is not so scared now. She is watching him too.
Yes. They are noticing each other.
This is how friendship starts. Slowly, step by step.
I'm really happy to see this. They are improving.
Maybe soon they will play together.
Yes. That would be so fun. We can bring them here every day so they get more comfortable.
That's a great idea. Routine will help them.
I feel proud. We're doing a good job.
Yes. They are learning because of us.
Look, the dog is quiet now. He's walking normally.
And the cat is relaxed. She's not hiding anymore.
This is amazing.
They are changing. Yes. They are becoming friends.
Now look at them. The dog and the cat are finally friends. Yes, they really are. I'm so happy to see them like this. They are calm together, and they even enjoy each other's company. Exactly. They are not scared anymore. We did a great job. We helped them understand each other. Yes, step by step. And now they trust each other. I think now we can leave them together. They will play and have fun. Yes, and our home will feel so lively. This is so beautiful to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And please subscribe to our channel for more learning and fun videos. We will keep bringing you conversations to help you learn English easily. And we will also share updates about their life at home. So stay connected with us and keep learning every day. See you in the next video with more fun and learning.